Hello my friends, welcome back NFT Gems, and if you are new to my channel, of course subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for latest earning related videos, okay? And I will show you today a quantification website, and I will show you everything, every details in this video. So without skip, watch my video step by step, okay? First of all, you need to register account. So input when you click my link and you got some like interface, email address, input password and pre-enter password, enter security password, re-enter security password, okay? You fill up the all details and click the sign up button in your account ready, and when you click the sign this website, you can see this interface. As you can see the site interface, and after you see the site interface, sum up, and you can see the richest option. Choose richest option BEP20-USDT. After click the BEP20-USDT, simply you can copy this address, go to the wallet page, that put them on and reach a successful come your website, and click the quantify option, and you can see they have registered quantification. Click the start quantification, and you can see the start quantification is processing. How in the processing successfully done, you got some reward in your account, okay? You can see the loading, and now I will got some reward. You can see that I will receive 2 USDT. Now I'll show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet, okay? So you can see there are two methods available for withdrawal. So I'll go my wallet, click that phone option, deposit crypto, and choose USDT and network card BNB smart chain, okay? So click the USDT, choose BNB smart chain, copy this address back your website and paste your address, and enter your security person and put your amount, confirmation, and your withdrawal successfully done. You can see that. Click the back icon, you can see that I have embed friends link, so you can simply copy the link, go to the social media, share the link, and earn lots of money by the sharing. So don't miss your share your available link, okay? Or you can see that I have invest a different invest method in here, and have the BAP level. You can see the BAP1, BAP2, and almost there BAP8. You can choose your personal BAP. I recommend it. Everyone, if you're interested, so you can try the low BAP is the best, but everything is your personal choice, okay? Or I don't force anyone deposit here. It's your own choice and your own risk, okay? I don't force anyone, so everyone, if you deposit in this website, please play your own risk, okay? So click the home icon, you can see there have many kind of languages available. Choose your personal language, and if you face any kind of problem, contact the customer service and solve your problem, guys. And when you invite someone, you can watch their your team record, and you can see their agent, corporate, invite friends, activities, many kind of details in here. You can choose and read the details, okay? So take care, bye bye, see you next another earning related videos.